Afternoon, guys. It's Wednesday the 19th today when I'm filming this. I'm on my lunch break, so I thought it would be a little bit of a garden tour. I've not really done one really. So we'll start off in the actual greenhouse, the polycarbonate one. The one that's normally there where I do my seed and all, that's empty, so spin around, let's have a look. Right, let's see if we can shrink this down. Right, I never filmed these. These are the, I think they're called quad grows. So let's start with these first of all. These are sweet pepper. As you can see, starting to get flowers. This one here is a cucumber. I can't find a label for it, but as you can actually see, I'm starting to get cucumbers. It looks like it's a spiky type. So we'll go over here. This one first of all, this is the sun gold, I think. Yes, sun gold. And this is another cucumber plant. As you can see, this one is a piccolino, or however you pronounce it. We've now got two sweet peppers in there. I got these from Lidl. It was only £1.99 for a packet of 6. So they're both in there, doing quite well. I've got some things to plant out. Bone dried kohlrabi, but I need to remove the garlic, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So the kohlrabi going where the garlic is. I got a few other bits and bobs. I got these, the peppers, but I don't know where the label went. Got a few little bits in here, not looking the best. Got a cabo kale that's starting to grow now, so they will go out. I've got some swede, another pepper, and I've also got, I think this is another cucumber, the A1 female. And I've also got a melon plant that needs to go out. It looks like the slugs are starting to attack it. Down here, just sown some randoms. I thought they never germinated, left them, and then all of a sudden they just started growing, so I just left them. I think they're actually already cauliflower, so they can actually go out at some stage. This one here is an aubergine, and these are the tomato plants. You can probably tell this one there has got the tomatoes on it already. That one is a honeycomb. This one here is our Shirley. At the back there, that is a chili plant. I can't remember which one it is, to be honest. This here is a basket of fire. And I've got this, which I don't know what it is. Very odd looking leaves. So if anybody knows what this plant is, I planted it, but I don't know what it is. I've got this. Let's go back a bit. This plant here, which is a black cherry. I've got a chili there, which is one of the really hot ones, which is the Trinidad perfume. That chili there in the corner is a hot banana. This tomato plant needs the suckers taken out for a start. Look. And they are the beefsteaks. Just about starting to get some flowers on it now. This one here, if you like to look at this here, look at the size of these. That one is beefsteak as well. Take it outside. Say hello to the fish. Go on feeding. So on this one here, basket of fire. Looks like it's actually got some little bit of slug damage on it. Moneymaker tomato, another basket of fire. I don't know what's happened to that, it doesn't look too healthy. This one is another chili pepper, a Scotch bonnet. And I put a courgette plant out. Looks like something's attacking it again. And this one's chive. This bit here, turnips. Another courgette. Beetroot. Courgette. Tomato plant just snapped off one of them in there. And another chilli plant. Looks like the slugs are on the field doing this lot. It's not just me. Everybody's having problems with slugs this year. This one here just needs a little bit of a de-weed. It's actually growing weeds better than actually growing the onions, as you can see. And down this bed here, there's the broad beans. By the front, I've got a couple of onions. Some red onions here. I just need to pull that plant out. I've been doing a bit of weeding. And all this lot now is garlic. From there onwards is the Lidl. I think they're the Provence from last year. And all those are elephant garlic. And you can see they are a decent size. That's my hand. And they've got the little tubes on them. Bin them, don't do anything with them. So all these are going to come out. All these are potatoes. Sorry about the washing. And we've got some blackcurrant and blackberries there. And more potato plants. You can actually see how high these are. They're starting to flower. So I have been taking the heads off them. But that's the height of my bonnet. And they're actually growing higher. And I've got a cougar. So all those are potatoes. Some flowers need to get out. Potatoes never actually put out this year. Got too many of them. Got a bit giddy. Apple tree. You can see starting to get apples. And if I can get there without it flying off. They're ladybugs. Ladybirds, leave them on there. They're doing well. These are only aphids. But what I might actually do this next year, where it's actually growing outwards, I might cut that one off. Because the actual tree is starting to lean. And some of these plants now are starting to fall over. But they're the Ulster Prince first earlies, only in one of those little Tesco buckets. These here are poppies. These are cucamelons. Not growing very well. It's just too cold. These are strawberries. And that is just a mixture of salads and more sweet corn that I need to get out. That really is just a tour of the garden. Let me just show you blueberries as well. Forgot about those. In here we've got blueberry plants. This one is your normal blueberry, but it's a Barclay. As you can see, it's starting to get berries. This one hasn't flowered. I think it may be a later one. That's a calendron. And these are sweet peas. And this one is a pink lemonade blueberry plant. But these are the first year I planted them. Right, got some pointy cabbage that I need to get to allotment. They're screaming out to be planted on. And some more curly kale, but they may go into the beds once I take the garlic out. These are the carrots. I think the top heavy, I think called. Top weight, not top heavy, top weight. And these, not a little gem at all. They're parsnips, and I think they're just about starting to come through. That's the third sowing of them. Nothing really in there. Just a couple of dead plants. And my spring onions, I need to get them in. These are the carrots, those are actual seed tapes. These ones are little. And these are like a strawberry bed. You can actually see my veggie pod. I put some turnips in there, and in here I put some iceberg lettuce. So that one, huge. Get lots of these. Some are not as big as others. Oop. Spiked it. Right, these are the Providence White semi-elephant garlic. It's going forward now, these are Providence. Only small some of these. Not compared to that. I think I'll leave the rest of these in for a couple of weeks. Not doing any harm. Got a bit of rust on them, but they're not doing too bad. Let's have a look at the other ones over there, they're falling over. Right, I think these ones here are little. Yeah, I think they're going that way, the littles. These are all fall over. Decent sized bulbs. What I've done with these is I planted the bigger ones from last year. So not too bad. That's probably I'll come back to you in a minute. Right guys, so this lot here is the little garlic. You probably see that I had went to pull it up and it snapped. These here are more elephant garlic. I must have planted them here, but the label had faded off. So all these are the Providence, whatever they're called, and that's them. Elephant garlic, they can stay in for a couple more weeks. Now they're just all done. So what I'm going to do is, I just opened up lots, and I'm just going to put them through the cages. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to put the actual garlic through the actual cage. As you can see, pull it through, and then let it dry off, like so. Right, I forgot to show you these before. These are red currants. This is my fig tree. Starting to get some decent size. We've got raspberries. Are the raspberries? No, I think they are. I can't remember what these ones are. Yeah, raspberry. And this is the potatoes. Look at the reality of this. I can't even get in my greenhouse. Right guys, that's it. Just a little bit of a quick tour of the garden. And the garlic's, most of it's out. I left some of it in obviously. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up or thumbs down. It all helps with the algorithm of YouTube. If you really want to, you can go subscribe. Bye bye.